Daniel was the kind of person who always said, tomorrow. I'll start tomorrow. He wanted to learn English. He needed to learn English. He dreamed of traveling, making new friends, and finding a better job. But every time he opened a textbook, he felt lost. One night, after a long day at work, he sat alone in his small apartment. He looked at his phone and whispered, I'm too tired. I'll start tomorrow. But tomorrow became next week became next month, and soon Daniel felt like learning English was impossible. That evening, he walked to a small convenience store to buy water. While standing near the counter, he saw a tiny notebook. Simple, cheap, nothing special, but something about it made him stop. Maybe, he thought, I just need to start small. He bought the notebook, just $1. When he got home, he wrote on the first page, English, 5 minutes, every day. That's it. Not 1 hour, not 5 chapters, just 5 minutes. The next day, he wrote 3 new words, hello, coffee, happy. He practiced the words while waiting for the bus. The next day, he wrote 2 new phrases, then 1 short sentence, then a new word he heard on TV. Some days he studied 10 minutes, some days only 3, but he never stopped. Weeks passed, then a month. One day at work, a tourist came into the store where Daniel worked. Hello, the tourist said nervously. Daniel smiled. Hello, how can I help you? It was simple, but the words felt beautiful. He spoke slowly, carefully, but he communicated. For the first time, he felt English wasn't far away. It wasn't impossible. It was actually happening. He went home that day and wrote in his notebook, I spoke English today. He drew a big smile next to it. From that day, his confidence grew. He listened to short podcasts, he watched English videos with subtitles, he wrote small journal entries. Little by little, word by word, Daniel changed. 1 year later, he looked at his notebook, now thick with scribbles, mistakes, drawings, and progress, and whispered, I'm proud of myself. He didn't become fluent overnight. He didn't memorize thousands of words. He didn't magically speak like a native, but he changed something more important. He learned that small steps, repeated every day, are stronger than big dreams that never start. And the little notebook, the one he bought for $1, became a symbol of something powerful. Growth happens slowly. Confidence grows quietly. Fluency begins with one small step. And you are capable of all of it. No matter where you start, no matter how busy you are, no matter how scared you feel, your English journey can begin today with one word, one phrase, one page, just like Daniel.